Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to make Sceptre monitor look better, best color, sharpness, overdrive, and HDR settings. First, understand why the display doesn't look its best. If your Sceptre monitor looks washed out, blurry, overly sharp, or has noticeable motion blur, adjusting a few display settings can significantly improve image quality, color accuracy, and gaming performance. Now, why the display doesn't look its best? Default factory settings often prioritize brightness over accurate colors. Sharpness, HDR, and overdrive settings may be set too high or too low. Incorrect picture modes can reduce image quality and increase motion blur. Fix 1. Select the best picture mode. First, press the menu button on the monitor and navigate to picture mode. From there, select User, Standard, or FPS/RTS mode. Avoid eco mode as it can reduce brightness and responsiveness. Then save the settings. Fix 2. Adjust brightness and contrast. Now press the menu button on your Sceptre monitor and use the navigation button to select picture. Now highlight brightness and press enter or select. Then increase or decrease the value using the increase decrease button. Recommended for gaming is 80 to 90. After that, press enter/select to save the brightness settings. Fix 3. Optimize color temperature. First, press the menu button and then go to color or color settings. Now select color temperature. In it, choose normal. This is recommended for most gamers. Then press enter/select to save the settings. Fix 4. Reduce excessive sharpness. First, open the picture menu. From there, select super sharpness. Now select different options and check if you are able to set the value. Keep it between 40 to 60. Fix 5. Enable overdrive for gaming. Recommended overdrive setting is medium or normal. First, open the monitor's gaming or performance menu. From there, find overdrive or response time and set it to medium or normal. Avoid the highest settings if you notice image artifact or overshoot. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.